Welcome back from the break to more stories now. As Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr today, the rush to reunite with loved ones is played out across train stations in Nigeria, with many turning to rail transport for a smoother journey. As AIT's transport correspondent, I was at the Idu train station earlier today, and here is my report. 11-year-old Aliyu Usman Ali is traveling by train, not for the first time, to celebrate Eid al-Fitr with his cousins in Kaduna State. For him, it's more than just a journey. It's the excitement of reunion and the simple joy that comes with the festive season.
I'm using the train, I'm in the VIP section. I'm going to my cousin's house. As you can see, it's Eid. We are going to Kaduna from Abuja, and we'll hopefully be there in the next 3 hours or so. We are going to talk to each other a lot and have fun.
Okay. Ali is not alone. Across train stations, passengers are turning out in numbers, choosing rail transport to beat the Salah travel rush.
I chose train instead of vehicle because of the convenience and comfort.
For my ticket, what the time is saying, that is the time the train moves. And when and also what the time is on the ticket, that is when I arrived in Abuja here.
The Nigerian Railway Corporation had earlier announced special services with additional trips across major routes, including Abuja-Kaduna, Lagos-Ibadan, Warri-Itakpe, to manage the expected surge in travel during the Eid period.
We are running 3 trips now, on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. This is to enable the passengers that are going for Salah celebration to have more convenient and a kind of free train ride. It will move very fine and everything is okay. It's up to, we're accommodating everybody, and that is actually helping us.
The war on the Gulf that has caused a hike in global oil prices is also responsible for the visible patronage. Yet, the NRC says it maintains its fares for the season.
We did not increase the price. The price remained what it was. And that has actually helped a lot of Nigerians. Because when you compare it to the price of road and some other things, it's something that you think of. But we're having a lot of patronage on that, and it's something is filled to the capacity.
As scheduled on the Abuja-Kaduna train service corridor, a train had left at 7:45 a.m. on Friday. Another returned from Kaduna at 2:16 p.m. and the last for the day left at 3:15 p.m. in a 7-coach train. Before that were passengers arriving early, with many expressing confidence in the system even as they navigate the usual checks and boarding procedures. During our visit, we were granted access to the Nigerian Railway Corporation's control room, where the team oversees train operations in real time. The control room monitors passenger movement, tracks the location of all trains via CCTV and GPS systems, and coordinates with staff across stations to ensure safety and efficiency during travel periods. For many Nigerians who are celebrating Eid al-Fitr, the journey to see families and relatives is as important as the celebration itself. And at Idu train station here in Abuja, many passengers have turned to rail transport for what they believe will be a safer and a more convenient trip. Onoshorena Obosege, AIT News, Abuja.